Have you ever wondered why people who eat a Mediterranean diet age slower, feel lighter, and stay more energized? Well, today I'm revealing 4 insanely healthy Mediterranean lunch recipes you can make in minutes. Each one has a secret benefit you'll want to hear, and recipe number 4 might shock you. Let's get started. Recipe 1: grilled salmon, veggies, and roasted potatoes. This one is a powerhouse. How to prepare: season salmon with salt, pepper, and little lemon. Grill or bake until flaky. Toss mixed veggies with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Serve with a side of veggies and roasted potatoes. Benefits: rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it fights inflammation, boosts heart health, and even supports memory. Recipe 2: Mediterranean lentil and vegetable soup. This isn't just soup, it's a hug in a bowl, packed with nutrients and incredibly satisfying. It's perfect for cooler days or when you need a comforting boost. How to prepare: saute chopped onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until softened. Add vegetable broth, a can of diced tomatoes, and rinsed brown or green lentils. Season with bay leaf, thyme, salt, and pepper. Simmer until lentils are tender, then stir in some fresh spinach. Lentils are a fantastic source of iron, protein, and fiber, supporting energy levels and digestive health. The array of vegetables provides essential vitamins and minerals, boosting your immune system. This soup is a true Mediterranean secret for longevity. Recipe 3: spicy Mediterranean shrimp bowl. This one is bold, colorful, and surprisingly light. How to prepare: saute shrimp with garlic, paprika, chili flakes, and olive oil. Add onto a bowl of quinoa. Top with cherry tomatoes, parsley, and lemon. Benefits: rich in selenium for better thyroid health and metabolism. Lean, high-quality protein for muscle and fullness. Low-calorie but nutrient-dense. Contains antioxidants. Provides B vitamins for energy. Boosted by Mediterranean ingredients. Olive oil, heart health. Parsley, vitamin C. Tomatoes, antioxidants, and lemon, digestion. Recipe 4: the Energizing Quinoa, olive, and roasted veggie bowl. If your afternoons crash, this bowl is about to become your best friend. How to prepare: roast zucchini, bell peppers, and eggplant. Place over cooked quinoa. Add olives, basil, and a light vinaigrette. Finish with feta or nuts. Benefit: this bowl provides slow-release energy, helping prevent the afternoon crash. Quinoa offers all 9 essential amino acids and supports steady energy. Roasted veggies supply fiber, antioxidants, and gut-friendly nutrients. Olives add heart-healthy fats for satiety and brain support. Basil and vinaigrette offer anti-inflammatory benefits, and the feta or nuts add extra protein and healthy fats to help stabilize blood sugar. There you have it, 4 Mediterranean lunch recipes that are healthy, easy, and incredibly delicious. Whether you're after more energy, heart health, or just a tasty meal, these recipes have it all. Here's the big question: which do you think is the best? One of these recipes might surprise you, spark a new favorite, or even start a trend. So don't just watch. Share your pick in the comments below. I would love to hear your comments. And before you go, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, comment below which recipe you'll try first, and subscribe for more Mediterranean wellness recipes and tips. Your next favorite lunch is just a click away.